Sky crossing.
Morning light spilling across the floor. Every room opening a little more. Two-story ceilings touching the sky. Golden reflections passing by. Curved staircase catching the afternoon glow. Chef's kitchen where everybody goes. Wall of glass looking outside to a backyard paradise. I've been looking for a place like this, something more than a checklist. Open the door, let the sunlight through. Everything feels new. Sky crossing, where every room is filled with light. Open spaces, Arizona skies. If I could get used to this life. Sky crossing, feel the water, feel the breeze. Backyard moments made to keep. I could get used